Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly, let's open settings. Then you have to go to the system section. Then languages and input, languages. Here you can add a language. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And then to set Ukrainian as a system language, you just have to drag it on top, on first place. And after that, language will be changed to Ukrainian automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then системні, мова та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.